Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to be our dropship. First, open up your browser. Type in www.anhshop2u.com in the address bar. On the top left, there is a navigation button. Click the navigation button. Click Come Join Us. And select Join as Dropship. Choose an operating system of your device. After that, it will lead you to its own app store. Download ANH Shop2U Dropship app. You may join as dropshipper by sign in with your Facebook account, or register manually. Fill in your email, and create a password of your account. Then, click Submit when you are done. You're almost there. Click the Proceed button to activate your account. Fill in your phone number, and click Submit Application. With that, you'll be able to log in your account through our Dropship app. Once you have successfully opened the ANH Shop2U Dropship app, make sure you have an account with ANH Shop2U. You may log in the app by sign in with your Facebook account, or log in with the account you have registered. Type in the email and password of your account. If you forgot your password, press the Forgot Password button to retrieve it. Enter the email you have registered, and press Submit to get a temporary password. We hope that you can utilize this application as much as possible to market your product and gain more commission. If you have registered in this app by sign in with Facebook, you can directly log into this app using your Facebook. Please click Sign in with Facebook. When you successfully log in with Facebook, it will automatically appear in your Dropship account. What you see right now is the dashboard page. Press the Profile tab, and update your bank account for payment. If you own a PayPal account, select PayPal. Please provide your PayPal email, and we will transfer the commission into your account. If you prefer the commission transferred online, pick Online Transfer. Enter your bank account number, and the account holder's name. And also select the bank's name. These are the list of banks available in Malaysia. Press the Update button to finish your profile setup. Great, your details has been saved. That means the information you've recently updated has saved into our system. If you decide to change your account name, type in the name that you wish to be displayed, and then press the Update button. You can have a look at the dashboard to see your name has changed. Now you can renew your information whenever you want. Now, go to My Store. We will be explaining the features that are available here. In the All category, you will see all the products available in ANH Shop2U. You can scroll down, and have a look at the products. You can also add a product into your store, in case you want to sell it for your commission, or you can remove them if you don't want to. You can pick other category to add into your store. Let's say you want to sell a mug, pick category mug, select the mug you want, and copy its product URL. To make things easier, you can copy multiple products URL by clicking Add to Clipboard button. You will be notified that the URL has successfully copied to clipboard. Therefore, you'll be able to share those URLs to your friends through WhatsApp. Customer just simply click the URL, press Add to Cart button of their product choice, and proceed to payment. Let's say that you want to check on the products available in your store. On the top right, there are two buttons. Press the button on left, and you will see all the products are kept in My Display rack. Scroll down, and check what's available in your store. What if you want something different to promote your customers, in order to gain more commission? You can simply change the category, and select Design Yourself Store. The unique thing about ANH Shop2U application is that you can sell a product, where customers can create or customize their own designs. Provide a link of Design Yourself Store, and share it to customers. The link will send the customers directly to the web page of Design Yourself Store. Customers can decide the quantity, choose the color they want, picking the measurements they need, and also select the printing method. Then, scroll down and click the Start Design button. This is a step-by-step procedure on how to create or edit their own designs in ANH Shop 2U. Please enjoy watching. Have you ever wondered how ANH pay your commission? Well, kindly open the ANH Dropship app, and select Transactions feature. Here, you can view the list of transactions. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit the App Store, and download ANH Shop 2U Dropship app. Stay tuned for our next video.